Right, 5 December 2023, and this is the evening bulletin for today after I was live again in the morning. And today I've got a very quick update for you because I'll obviously be coming back again in the morning. And the update that I have is to do with 3 court cases, and I want to deal with these 3 court cases and then we call it a night. So the first court case is to do with Tshabangu, where Tshabangu had gone to court to bar or to stop CCC candidates who were recalled from contesting under the CCC of Tshabangu. So what has happened is that court case has been postponed to tomorrow because the CCC had not filed their heads of arguments today. That is the information that I had. The CCC had not filed their heads of arguments today, so they were given time to do so, and the case is going to be heard and concluded tomorrow. And the reason why this happened is that yesterday the CCC approached the court and they applied for a joinder, and that joinder was granted yesterday, and therefore they were allowed today to file the heads of argument, and then tomorrow there'll be the court case, and we'll probably have a judgment, or we'll know when the judgment is going to happen. So that case has been postponed to tomorrow, and we'll give you more details as soon as the result is out. Then there is the case of Ostalos Siziva, the deputy spokesperson of the CCC. He has been found not guilty. He has been acquitted of all charges. There was a woman who is a member of the CCC in Bulawayo, probably the Tshabangu issue, and she had reported him to the police for assault. And the case has been thrown out for lack of evidence, and Ostalos no longer needs to attend court like he has been doing. He's been attending court very, very regularly. Then the third court case is to do with former Minister of Education, Zingai Mutumbuka. This is a very painful case. And I just had an update from reading online because I asked the people who were dealing with the case and they had not given me any update. Then I went to the independent newspaper and they've got an update. And the update is that Mr. Mutumbuka, or former Minister Mutumbuka, has lost his case. So Marangi is going to get the house because Mutumbuka was not able to comply with Rule 55 of the Supreme Court rules with regards to payment of merit security costs. And in terms of sub Rule 6 of Rule 55 of the aforementioned rules, the appeal is regarded as abandoned. So there's some monies that he did not pay, and therefore he's lost his case before it was heard in court. So this is very, very sad, and it's terrible what is happening. Then in terms of Diepsloot, the bodies have been in the custody of the South African government because they're unidentifiable, and there's no movement there yet. I'll give you an update as soon as I get it. So to recap, Tshabangu versus Chamisa is now going to be heard tomorrow because today the CCC was given time to file the heads of argument. Ostalos has been acquitted. Mutumbuka has lost his court case because he did not pay certain amounts to the court. So this is it. I'm not going to stay long. I normally don't broadcast at this time of the day because I normally do this in the morning. But things are getting very, very tight in terms of the judiciary in Zimbabwe. There's no justice anymore in Zimbabwe, and it's really sad what is happening, especially the Mutumbuka case. I feel very, very sad about that. But let's see what happens tomorrow. It's D-Day for Chamisa. If Chamisa loses that case, he might just as well go and form another political party because there will be no movement. There will be confusion all over the place. But for now, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll be back again in the morning. Good night to you all.